Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the crystal material because the method differs for sapphire versus mineral or acrylic. Once confirmed, secure the watch face with masking tape to protect the case and hands and mount it so it won't move. Now apply a small dab of 0.5 to 1 micro-m abrasive paste or cerium oxide to a clean microfiber. Make short, controlled circular motions. You're abrading only the coating, not the glass. Keep checking progress under bright light every 30 seconds. Continue by polishing in short 15 to 30 second bursts so you can monitor what's happening. Apply low, consistent pressure and keep the pad moving in overlapping circles. This prevents heat buildup and uneven removal. Once you see the AR haze break up, rinse with distilled water to remove abrasive residue and pat dry. If you're on sapphire, expect slower results. Be patient and repeat cycles. Make sure to switch to a fresh pad every few passes to avoid redepositing removed coat. Finish by using a non-abrasive microfiber and a small amount of optical cleaner to remove streaks and restore clarity. You should inspect the crystal at multiple angles under direct light. If faint micro scratches appear, perform one gentle pass with a finer polish. Once done, remove tape, reassemble, and test for water resistance if you open the case. If the crystal becomes cloudy or you see deep scratches, stop immediately and consult a professional watchmaker to avoid permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.